Hey guys, it's your boy He's So Holy, and got my dog with me. I ain't seen him in like a week. Nah. Yeah, probably a week. And this is him. What's up, Gizzy? Hey, Gizzy. 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 He's a left Absol, man. Yep. He's a left Absol. I had him for like, I don't know, had him for like 6 years. 6-7 years. Yeah. What's she looking at, Gizzy? What are you looking at, Gizzy? Doesn't really bark a lot. So, yep. If your carpet is very comfortable, he will pee on it. If it's comfortable, he will pee on it. If your bed is comfortable, he will pee on it. If he's scared, he will pee. If he's scared and you haven't picked up, he will pee on you. Yes. Well, not scared. Well, scared, nervous. But yeah, he knows a lot of things. So he doesn't know stand up, so I have to make him stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. See, paw. Paw. Good job. Paw. Paw, Gizzy. Gizzy, paw. Good job, Gizzy. Good job. Paw. Gizzy. Paw. Good job, Gizzy. Good job. Alright, one more time. Gizzy. Gizzy. Paw. 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 Good job, Gizzy. Let me. He's very lazy. Hey, boy, Gizzy. Yep, this is my dog. Love him. So, yep. So, yep, that was my dog. You still want me to rub you, Gizzy? Wait, hold on. So, guys, that was my dog. It's your boy, He's So Holy. I'm out.